How to reset your Instagram Explore page. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to explore and retain the algorithm to show more relevant contents on your Explore page, here is a way out to reset it. First of all, open your profile and tap on the profile icon which is present on the bottom right. Then tap on three horizontal lines and you will see this page. Now from here, scroll down until you see the option of security. Hereby, you will see your activities. Tap on it. After tapping on it, scroll down until you see the option of recent searches. Now from there, tap on clear all and then confirm it. This can help to reset the algorithm's immediate suggestions. For the next step, you have to remove likes on irrelevant posts. In order to do so, tap on the profile again and go to the same section, that is three horizontal lines. After that, under your activities, you will see likes. Once you click on likes, you can multi-select different types of posts that is irrelevant to you. Once it's irrelevant likes and posts, you can tap on unlike button and this way it will help Instagram algorithm to not show you such videos. For the next step, go to the search icon and then refresh the page. For the post that you are not interested, tap on it and then tap on not interested. Spend few minutes daily interacting with contents to help retain the algorithm. Over time, your explore page will become more relevant to your preferences. Since there is no instant reset button for explore page, these steps can be the correct one. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.